Hola, soy la Señora Crouch. I'm here to introduce myself for this virtual open house this year because school is so different. We're not even having an in-person open house. This semester and class is going to look different from any previous year ever. So I am going to talk a little bit about what to expect and just the idea that if you're feeling unsure or nervous or anxious, that's okay. Nothing about this is normal, so we're just going to do what we can and try to move forward with a semi normalized approach to classes this year. So we are all learning how to do this as we go. Teachers right now are here working full days in order to get ready to be equipped and prepared to teach and support all students. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what class is going to be like, what to expect, and my expectations of all students as well. You can expect open communication. There will be live recorded classes or segments and pre-recorded class segments every week. There will be structure and consistency to our calendar and the types of assignments that we participate in. Also, there will be availability on my end for student support and office hours to provide feedback and clarity whenever necessary. My expectations for class, whether that be a live segment of class or asynchronous or pre-recorded, or eventually when we go into in-person classroom settings, my expectations for all of us are to set a tone of respect, responsibility, engagement, proactive behaviors, and self-reflection in order to monitor progress periodically throughout the weeks of class. My expectations for our class culture are for everyone to feel equal and respected, acknowledged, successful, and free to contribute and ask relevant questions. Even though this will be a different type of classroom setting, it will be a classroom setting, live or asynchronous, and eventually in person. So during virtual learning, you should have the same expectations of what class will be like as if you were taking class in person. So class will be a majority in Spanish, me using Spanish, as well as resources in Spanish, and responses by you in Spanish. Class will be inclusive. Class will be based on your language ability, and it will include diverse skill activities and different types of interactions, including individual activities, partner activities, group activities, whole class activities. There will be collaboration and time to have a social aspect to class for sure. You'll receive grades based on your ability to communicate at a certain proficiency level in the language, and you'll set your own goals for that based on the level that you seek to attain. Finally, my goal for you is to have an enjoyable, interesting, and inspiring experience in class, which I hope will lead you to use Spanish beyond the class with Spanish speakers and even in Spanish-speaking countries. And remember, I'm here for you. I'm here to support you. All of the teachers here at James Clemens are here to support students. We're working full-time to help you and support you and guide you through your learning. We're all in this together. Never feel alone. All you need to do is reach out if you need help. So, with all of this being said, see you soon.